Philippine media said that the country will soon receive its first Turkish-made T129 ATAK and reconnaissance helicopter this December. Accordingly, the Philippines has ordered 6 helicopters designed and developed by the Turkish Aerospace Company. The value of the contract is estimated at $280 million, and this will be the first foreign country to use the ATAK. The sale process gained momentum after the United States approved export licenses to Turkey for the sale of the helicopter, powered by an American engine, to the Philippines in May. A joint venture by American firm Honeywell and the British company Rolls-Royce produces the engines powering the T129 helicopters, namely the LHTEC T800-4A turboshaft engines, which are mounted on pairs on each helicopter. Foreign companies are obligated to obtain export permits for U.S. military-grade commercial sales. Based on the AW129 ATAK helicopter, the T129 is a twin-engine Mantle helicopter designed for advanced attack and reconnaissance missions in hot and high environments. Performance requirements against challenging geographical and environmental conditions in night and day operations. It has several key improvements over the original A129 in line with the requirements for the Turkish army. The aircraft features a laser range finder, a helmet-mounted display system for night vision, and an emergency locator transmitter, allowing it to operate at night. The helicopter also equipped with a dedicated electro-optical flare system, a self-flare 300T for multipurpose missions, manufactured by the Turkish company Aselsan. Basically, the T129 has a payload capacity of 1.2 tons, allowing it to carry heavy and high-powered weapons such as anti-tank guided missiles, air-to-air missiles, rockets, and a 20mm turreted 3-barrel gun system. The T129s will serve in the 15th Strike Wing of the Philippines Air Force. The arrival of new military aircraft to the Philippines could bring the Surface Strike Unit closer to full operational capability. Previously, in October, the Philippines Air Force welcomed 5 Brazilian turboprop A-29B Super Tucano light attack aircraft at Danilo Essential Air Base. The first of 2 AH-1 Cobra helicopters donated by the Jordanian government also arrived at the Cavite Air Base.